Hey everyone, Extreme Crypto here. BITSGAP, a challenge to reach a goal of 1 Bitcoin using the grid trading bot. So BITSGAP is an all-in-one trading platform for Bitcoin and other crypto. I have a lot of options, but I'm using the grid trading bot and it's working great for me. No complaints. They do have a massive option, the demo account. The link will be at the bottom. Subscribe to the demo account and test it out. It's working for me and the strategies I'm using working. So who says it can't be working for you? Take the option, use play money, see how it goes and test it. So let's see what's happening in the account. So I'm up to 0.16 Bitcoin. Bitcoin is increasing. I started with just over 0.14 Bitcoin. So the Bitcoin is increasing and we keep on compounding each week. Try and see how long it will take to get to 1 Bitcoin. As the amount gets bigger and bigger with time, you're gonna get this faster and faster. So let's set up and get everything in place. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add up all these values to Bitcoin, and then we'll go to the Bitsgap bot and see which coin has the lowest value, and we'll compound it by putting the amount we're using towards it. Make sure it's value in. So let's go BNB, switch it to Bit. We'll do that with all the coins and should have pretty nice value compound towards our coin today. Market, sell everything Bitcoin. That's the first one done. Next option in B is done. XRP 17 cents. I'm not gonna wait that. Ethereum $20. Put that over Bitcoin. Take everything towards Bitcoin. Use that amount compound. Go Ethereum is over to Bitcoin as well. See what's next. House Cardano. I see I've ran out of KuCoin's coin. So after we upgrade it, everything that's still available of the 5% that gets left behind, I'll buy some KuCoin, get cheaper or get a discount transaction. By doing this, you're paying around about 20% transaction. Got about $32 Polkadot with over as well. That should more or less all the coins over into value. Yes, everything is upgrading $400 worth of coin this week. That's in 7 days, $400 that went from the trading site into my available balance. We can see crypto went down because our value came down about $1,000. It was over $8,000 on one stage. But yes, our crypto increased. When it was on $8,000, our crypto was around 0.158. And now it came down $1,000, but our crypto increased. But our main goal on this one is to increase our crypto because we want to see 1 Bit. Now if we go to Bitsgap, let's see. Of the coins we have, lowest value currently looks like to be DOT with $1,354 worth. So let's upgrade DOT, make it big. The highest transaction on the 000859. Let's upgrade that. make sure put it exactly in the same mark bars with grids of 1.15 in 85 more or less correct. Put our grids, do it again. 85416. Copy it and make sure grids is 1.15. It's here. If you do stop a bot, you can just go to spot and click on it, and it will give you the radius or the upper and lower range where the bot has started when you started it. But when you're using the trailing up, you need to check it this way to make sure you do get the correct amounts. So let's stop this bot, put it back on, will compound. As we can see, $1,300 worth more or less. I'm gonna compound everything towards it. We'll refresh the KuCoin account. And the moment there's nothing in orders on the Polkadot side, we'll know it's correct. Just a second to finish up. Loading. Nothing left in the order side. We now cancelled all the bots. As you can see, nothing left. That means it has cancelled all the bots and we can use the entire balance to upgrade our bot. Let's go back to coin. It's currently on the right one. Take that 50. That up to 0.1. $1.15084. Use maximum available. Start our bot again. Buying additional Polkadot or Dotcoin due to the fact that it's upgrading, meaning there's more value in the available sell order. Second to start up. As it loading, shortly coming up. There we go. The order is filled. Here we go. It's start loading trades. Cool. Now we can wait for it to load all the limit orders and say the bot is started. We know it's underway again. So slowly but surely we're moving forwards. As you can see, we're compounding the bots, getting more and more value, and we're moving towards that 1 Bitcoin mark. The bot has started. As you can see, the value of my dot bot up about $200 less. Bot is activated, it's underway. Now if we go here, you can see we got about $81 of Bitcoin available and $31 worth of dot. Let's make sure on that balances. Because what I'm going to do, I'm going to trade the dot towards the KCS coin, which is KuCoin's coin. Sell all available dot towards the KCS. Out again. What I'll do, sell the dot to Bitcoin, and then we can just buy some KCS. Oh, there's no dot available. That's why. Order came through late. Trade that. KCS. Bitcoin. Market. Buy KCS. For a transaction. Because when having KCS tokens available in your account, it means you're paying cheap. on your transaction. KCS coins available, and all my other amounts is more or less zero. Now we're going to run it for another 7 days, come back, see what kind of available profits there is. We'll use that and compound it back towards the bot and keep on going for our goal. Have a great one. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. And remember, hit that like button. Have a great one.